To make your brand irresistible, you need to understand color theory, the study of how colors impact human behavior. Here's a quick primer to help you select the right color for your next project.
Red is associated with strong emotions like love, passion, and courage. It creates a sense of urgency in action. It's used by brands in food, entertainment, and sports. Blue represents a feeling of calmness, honesty, and wisdom. It's commonly used in the financial and healthcare sector. Yellow is oftentimes cited as the most visible color and captures attention. It conveys warmth, excitement, and positivity. Green is associated with growth, healing, and positive outcomes. It's a mainstay of eco and wellness products. Pink is considered soothing, bringing a sense of contentment and relaxation, often leveraged by brands that want to associate tranquility or femininity with their products. Orange is inviting, creative, and energetic. It's often used to promote food and toy brands. White and gray are associated with peace, purity, and simplicity. It's a staple of minimalist and modern design. Think tech, art, and automotive. Black evokes a sense of power, sophistication, and elegance. It's the most common color used by luxury brands worldwide. Purple conveys a sense of royalty, spirituality, and imagination, often used by beauty and educational companies. Color is the foundation for creating emotion. Make sure your brand is creating a lasting impression.